I'm Balekile Seb, that's my name. I'm the trainer to Noni Tenge. I said to her, I'm going to make you a world champion. I did it. My dreams happened because of Noni Tenge. I say thanks.
I believe that hard times will never kill. And I believe that failure is not the end of the world. The best thing in life is to try again and again. That is my secret. Anything is possible in life. If you want to do it, just commit yourself to what you want to do. I believe that discipline can put you wherever you want to be. Living without parents at this age is very hard, but at least we've got something to eat before we go to sleep. I'm the breadwinner of my family. No one is working because our society is very poor.
She always encouraged me. I'm the youngest. I'm strong because of her.
Noni inspires me that I can box myself.
Don't gossip. Don't judge others. Don't be angry with others without any reason. Don't share club issues with outsiders. Let's act like a family. Let's stand and protect each other. Let's listen to others' concerns and solve them. Unite, Mzansi, unite. Young people, if you are hiding your talent, who will see it? Whenever your mind is strong, the body will get fit.
When I call Noni, I don't say Noni. I say, baby, baby. Then I'll say, baby, come here. Let's get in the ring.